So this is the main control panel for all your electrical systems in the vehicle. Whenever you want any power on in the back of the van, we just press this button here. You'll get the orange light on here just to tell you that the panel's switched on. I'll just go around all these buttons in order just so you know what everything does. You won't need them all, but I'll show you everything anyway. So these two here are for your battery levels. You've got your engine battery and your leisure battery. If I press the button once, it shows me the battery voltage. Press it again, it shows me the percentage. Same with the leisure battery. Press it once for voltage and again for percentage. The reason why we're not getting the percentage on here is I'm currently plugged into hookup. We can see this little orange symbol that looks like a cable here. That's just showing me the van's plugged in. Now when I check the battery level for the leisure battery, we get this symbol here, which tells me that the leisure battery is charging. So in the top right, we've got our water levels. If I just press this, we get the blue symbol showing at the bottom. That's our fresh water. As you can see, the van's empty at the moment. If I press it again, the symbol turns red, and this is for our wastewater. So that's the water that comes from the sink and the shower. It only shows in third increments, so it'll show 0, 33, 66 or 100. Now when the van gets nearly empty, it's going to start beeping and flashing at us with this blue symbol to tell us that we need to fill up with water. Equally as much, if there's too much wastewater in the van, it'll start beeping and flashing with the red symbol. Now roughly speaking, the waste and freshwater tanks are the same size, so once you've run a full tank of fresh water through it, you need to think about emptying your waste. In the top left is our water pump. Whenever you want to use any water, whether it be the sink, shower or toilet, you need to have the pump switched on. It's good practice just to keep the pump switched off when you're not using it. There's two reasons for that. Number one, if you were to run out of water, the pump would just overrun until it burns itself out. Secondly, every now and then when the pump's switched on, you will hear it prime itself. If you leave that switched on overnight, it's going to prime itself at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. So whenever you're not using it, just pop that back off there. Below that is our outside light. That's simply just on and off with that switch there. Next down is our interior lighting. So if I just press that, all the lights in the van will come on. There are individual switches all the way around the vehicle, and we'll show you those at handover. Just worth noting as well that the television is on the same circuit as the lighting, so if you do want to watch the TV, you just need to have the lighting switched on. Finally, at the bottom, this just tells us the inside cab temperature. It's not linked to the central heating in any way, it's just for information only. The easiest thing to do when you leave the vehicle is just hit the master power button, and that'll switch everything off. It doesn't affect the function of the fridge or the central heating, so you can keep those running without the power being on in the back of the van.